said that.
All right, it is race day.
Yeah.
Me and Jack are out here getting some stuff done. Dee's at work.
Yeah.
So me and Jack are out here working. We're
I need to tell them something.
cleaning out this chicken pen.
Mommy, I need to tell you something. If you go to Cracker and you see me, I'm going to tell you.
So we are cleaning out the chicken pen. Millie June's out here. So we got some stuff to get done.
Yeah.
And then
We're
going racing.
Bye-bye.
All right, what is up, everybody? Out here at Redhill. Made it back, sweating. It's hot. It's very hot. Summer Nationals race tonight. Those are always fun. What, there's 10 or 11 of us here tonight? Something like that. They push start times back to 7:30 because it is so hot. They don't want everybody sitting in the staging, sweating to death. So we got lots of, oh, there's Sailor Girl and Jack. We got lots of late models, modifieds. We got Jordan back there.
Shout out to Jordan for some AC tonight.
Yeah, shout out to Jordan.
Fager.
Yeah, Jason Fager's here. Jordan's got some AC back there in his new trailer, so that's shout out for that. So,
Hungry.
Okay.
all right, we'll catch you guys after hot laps, heat race, one or two, but we'll catch you in a minute. We got hot laps in. How'd that feel?
Pretty good. I'm always cars there, everybody in the way.
Yeah. We got quick time.
But it rained a lot.
Yeah,
Got greasy. They're getting somewhere.
we're
Don't
on
rain anymore, I think we'll be alright.
rain delay, so
If it rains anymore. They're getting there.
Yeah.
Better in addition.
they're working it. One thing about Jeremy Sneed is he will get a race
We'll be
in.
here till midnight.
He will get a race in. He's not one to give up on it. No, it rained a little bit, let's go. Because there's a flood.
But before, way before, he'll be able to.
Yeah, if you show up and it starts raining, we're racing. So that's one thing about Jeremy Sneed is he'll get a race in. So we're under rain delay. We'll see when we can get going again.
What you got to say?
Yeah, what you got to say, girl?
Give me that phone.
See the tired girl?
Oh.
So, alright, we'll catch you guys after the heat race if we get to run one. me see that.
No.
What you got? Oh! By the way, this is the second year in a row you won the Summer Nationals race. Jack, how do you feel?
Good.
You excited?
Yeah.
Excited? Woo! Just call me the new Fleming family racer. Racing the side-by-side around Redhill. Yeehaw!
Chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woohoo! Winner, winner, chicken dinner is what Jack says. How'd the car feel?
Pretty good.
It's a little slippery. We had a one-lap shootout, and anything can happen in one lap, so I was very scared. But we made it. We did it. Big shout out to all our sponsors.
Yeah, I wish Dad could be here.
Yeah, we wish his dad could be here, but that's okay. He'll be super happy. We're gonna have a party for him tomorrow. 4th of July.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. It's his favorite thing ever. So we're gonna have a good time. So we'll get to see him. He was number 1.
I forgot the GoPro till that first caution,
Yeah.
so
So sorry, everyone.
have everything but the feature on GoPro.
Yeah, but that's okay.
But it
So
was on till I got over here.
big shout out to our sponsor, New Bowl Lanes, BP Tint, FFR, obviously Pro Wash, they're here, right over there.
Hot mess.
Hot Mess Express, Redhill Leather, Andrew and Tori, Bonk Graphics, Nick Garrison. Everybody just helps us get us up and down the road every week that we race. So, all right, let's do it again.